Today in front of me I have INFINIX Hot 6 HD mobile device, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll launch the settings app, enter the display and brightness category, and then expand the available options for the screen timeout, we'll see that by default the maximum time value that we can go for is no more than 30 minutes. Therefore, if we would like to go for any higher values or even set the sleep timer value to never, we can simply use the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and download it. That is exactly the app that we're looking for. Now all that is left to do is to launch the Caffeine and simply make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, which will ultimately lead you to the fact that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. I have just accidentally closed the Caffeine, so if you would like for it to work, just keep it active. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.